Hi, this is one of the many videos that we have in our how-to series. This particular video is how to use the service list area. So as you've seen in other videos, whether you're on the appointment book or on the point of sale screen, most of your options on the right hand side. So for this particular one, we're going to access the service list from the appointment book. Here are all your displaying all your services. You can sort them up here with filters via description, your departments or code, and same likewise from here. You've also, if you just select each banner, it'll also give you another little filter also. To create, before you create any new services, you need to make sure that the service you're about to create has a department. So if you're making a new color service, you don't have to worry about it, but let's say if you're making a new waxing service, you'd have to go insert and create the department, allocate a color, and allocate an order. Once that's done, you can press create new, type in a code, type in a description. So if you're going to go, let's just say shampoo 001. I always like to keep them sequential. Whatever it is you need to do, short description, allocate a department wherever it may need to go. Service type for services, these are always going to be normal. Report filter, this is for your operator's report. You'll see a video, go to the operator's report video to see what these actually mean. But if it's a color service, whether it be foils or colors or semis, anything to do with color, you can put it inside there and it'll fine tuning your staff figures for that particular service. Collect history, this is for if a particular service requires a history note, so for your color services or any treatments or anything like that. Pricing, actually before we go to that, you've got to allocate the time. Now the time is for application only, it does not include processing time. Processing time, if you have any, if you want to have it some kind of standard, you can allocate it there. Pricing, just your standard sale price, just pop it in there. Flag full price, that was for the old body bronze salons that used to be around, that is no longer required. So just all you need to use is the selling price. Then you press save. Once that's done, you can actually still filter through. If you need to make any edits, just select the service, press change. You can also double click on an area here and make a change if you need to. And that is our basic how to use the service list. Any questions, please give us a call on 1300 780 619.